So in this video, we're going to have a look at the interface of Alchemy and also how we interact with it. So we've got three different main views for Alchemy: browser view, simple view, and advanced view. So browser view allows us to choose presets using this attributes section here. The architecture of browser view is we have this title bar at the top here. We then have a browser attributes section, which means we can go through and choose different attributes for the sound. We then have a browser results list here, which gives us different sounds that fit the attributes we've chosen. We have presets property section and a little text search here. And at the bottom we have the perform section, the arpeggiator, and the effects section. So it means you can basically choose preset sounds and also have performance controllers, the arpeggiator and the effects available to you as well. We're going to have a look at this in more detail later. Next view we have is the simple view. So the simple view is divided into two sections: the title bar I've already mentioned, and then this performance section here. So we have our XY controllers, various knobs here which we can assign to parameters, and these remix pads over here. So basically, if you are just wanting to load a sound and then mess with it without having too much confusion in front of you, too many parameters in front of you, it's an easy way of just being able to quickly control the sound rather than having to go in and edit parameters. If you do want to edit parameters, the advanced view is available for that. So the advanced view is made up of a source section where we can choose what the source of our sound is going to be. It could be samples, it could be oscillators. We have filter section over here, so we can filter the sound. Master section, which takes care of our output. Modulation section over here, where we can assign modulators to parameters. We then have the performance, arpeggiator, and effects section that we've already looked at. It's a very well organized and laid out synth with everything you need right in front of you. So to use the interface is also very simple. To move a knob, you simply drag it, and you can see this display up here shows me the values I'm dragging it to. I'm dragging straight up and straight down at the moment. If you prefer working in a circular motion, you can hold down the Option key on a Mac or Alt on a PC and drag in a circular motion and it will work. Also, using Alt or Option, you can click to bring the knob to a specific point, whereas if you don't have Option or Alt held down, that won't work. We also have various different number and value fields that we can click on, and they will bring up a submenu. There's also various places where we have areas where we can scroll and also zoom. So you zoom using these little handles here, and you scroll by dragging across like so. The last thing I want to show you on this is MIDI learn. So by right clicking on a parameter or control clicking, I get up a little sub menu where I can actually choose to MIDI learn a parameter. So I click on MIDI learn, move a knob on my controller, and I've quite easily assigned that controller to the parameter. So now we've looked at the interface of Alchemy at a basic level, we're going to carry on and check out the signal flow.